Hello, today, I'll be doing some tips and tricks that some people might need. You now don't need to craft stuff to add to your ranch, you just need to pay. To create a writing academy, you need to go to the town hall and speak to the mayor and pay 1,000 diamonds. It will cost 329 Robux from no diamonds. The big blue building with the dollar sign on the top of it is Charlie's with the same stuff, just different building. Here's what all the different training stuff does. Agility, strength, discipline, swiftness. This is where you compost your horse's poop, you get 100 bucks. This is the cat Oreo. There is a quest with this cat I'll do in the next tutorial. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Bye.